always seem to do that.
I know, I got one right. I burned the first one.
Come on, Steve. I'm sure you got more than that right.
Well, hopefully everybody else burns one and then we'll just be real close.
Even, yeah. Hey, it ain't over till it's over.
That's right.
What'd you get on that one?
9 seconds.
Oh. So you got him by 8 seconds on that one trip.
Yeah!
I get a little too excited.
Oh,
like, I know it's coming. I know it's... oh. I don't have enough time on it.
Did you zero that, Kyle?
I would have had a perfect 30 again.
Oh my god.
I would have zeroed it if they did it right after the trail.
Oh my god.
You're on the gas, bro.
Ripping. Kyle, they were like going the wrong ways, missing turns. Tyler might have hit a tree.
I might have been chasing your dust, Gabe.
Yeah?
I don't know.
I would say like the dust hangs for so long.
Yeah,
doesn't blow at all.
The dude's 2 minutes ahead of me, and he's, you know, I still see a little bit of his. I'll try to make less dust.
Yeah, would you?
Yeah.
That hurt. Yeah.
Yeah, that fucking hurt a lot. That thing came out of nowhere.
And all of a sudden there was a lot.
Dude.
Do you hit the tree on the road?
So fucking hard.
I barely saw
like,
it.
I slid into it sideways and kind of just like...
No arrows. They got danger arrows on stuff. They don't need it, but they don't like that.
Huh?
I wouldn't have seen any arrows.
I was like...
Because it's dusty.
Yeah, she's dry. It's slippery.
34. So we got a little bit of 24 down here.
Just before gas?
Yeah, but it's only like 1 point something miles. So I'm gonna try to go in a little early because I kind of know what trail it is, and I think it'll be really hard to hold 24 on it.
Alright.
But like maybe you could hold 24, so if you want to like not go in early to not risk it.
Oh.
Because like...
Are you going in early?
I'm gonna go in early, but I don't think Steven should go in early.
Oh god.
So I think you should try to go in.
What mile do I chill at?
You could we're just gonna cruise down like in 15 seconds into our minute this whole time.
Okay.
And then as we get closer to 44, like near the bottom, I'm gonna start picking it up, and I would say you should try to stay at 15 seconds the whole time.
Oh, just watch the clock.
Just stay at 15 seconds, yeah.
Okay, just watch the clock. Okay.
And then hopefully, if it's green flags, hopefully right here I'll be like just cruising, and then once you catch up to me, try to go in right on with me.
Alright. We don't know if it's a green or a red.
No, we don't. If it's red.
That was a red.
Yeah, that was red, so that was...
I'm learning.
Tyler, you alright? Yeah?
Alright.